afternoon, everybody. What we happen to have on the test stand is a nice 383 450 package. Beautiful motor. This happens to be one of the first ones I've ever done like this, but we powder coated the engine. We powder coated the cylinder heads, the block, the oil pan, the timing cover, and the valve covers. Came out beautiful. There's definitely going to be quite an upcharge on this, but if you really like something like this, we can do that to almost any engine. But again, with patience, we can do it. Again, this motor came out gorgeous. We have a black powder coated intake on here also. So it has to be our EFI on it, and we're running the Holly
Sniper.
I'm sorry, Holly Sniper on this one. Got the MSD distributor, black wires, and beautiful orange engine. Just got done making about 468, 490 torque. Anything we can help you with? Give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. And one more thing. For you LS engine lovers, check out lsenginekings.com. We'll be happy to build something for you each and every way. Thank you.